Alright, so what we're doing today is we're having hot dogs. Nothing new there. We're going to be using earth-grown vegan meatless jumbo hot dogs. We're also going to be using Francisco seeded gourmet hot dog rolls. We're going to use an avocado. Nothing new with any of this. What's new is this. These are brown tomatoes. And that's what's new.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
These tomatoes are called Komatos. They come from Inspired Shelf.
The Komato brown tomato can be purchased at Trader Joe's and many grocery stores. See, if you have half a cup, it's only 20 calories. No fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol. It has 10 milligrams of sodium, 4 grams of carbohydrate, 1 gram of dietary fiber, 3 grams of sugar, 1 gram protein. It has vitamin A. Here's another way to look at it. This is from MyFitnessPal. The tomato has 25 calories. It has 5 grams of carbohydrates, no fat, and 1 gram of protein.
The package is 1 pound. Yeah, simply unique brown tomatoes. It says unique color and flavor, natural product grown traditionally. I wonder if that means they're grown on a vine, traditional vine. It's by a company called Sunset, and it's inspired by flavor. Okay, well that's cool. Comes in this neat little case. We had 4 tomatoes. I had 1 already. So I'm going to eat these today, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Step 1. Using your favorite cast iron pan, move the heat to high. The reason why, you want to make sure that your earth-grown vegan meatless jumbo hot dog goes below the water, because these things sink. They don't float like some of the normal meat dogs. So we'll put the hot dog in there for, I think it's 90 seconds. Directions real quick. When in doubt, read the directions. Okay, so you can grill it, lightly coat with oil, medium, grilled dogs to 6 to 7 minutes, turning frequently. You can cook it on the stove top, boil in water. They cook it for 2 minutes. So as soon as it boils, you drop it in, you turn off the heat, and you count your minute. And I've already explained what this soy hot dog has, but it says right on here, it's got water, soy isolate, soybean oil, evaporating cane sugar, pea protein, tapioca starch, salt, potassium chloride, baker's yeast extract, carrageen, dried garlic, natural flavors from vegetable sources. That's kind of good, huh? Natural smoke. Oh, they have smoke flavor. Gum, fermented rice flour. Delicious. Guar gum and a bunch of other stuff, which I can. And it does contain soy. It says right here, no added nitrates. A good thing to know. Tomato. Get your plate, and I'm going to warm this up in the oven real quick. So the bun preparation is simple. Once the bun is hot, use your favorite condiment, which mine happens to be mustard, and then take some fresh avocado and stick it on the inside, and make sure the skin isn't on like I left on this one. You can use your thumb or a knife. So like this. And the idea is to get the hot dog, when it's ready, to fit in the middle. Then take your tomato, it's been washed, but I'm just refreshing it, and then slice off delicious slices of tomato. And what you could do is you could use something like this, where you just are cutting it into bite-sized pieces, and you're putting it on top. Now you don't want to put too much tomato, because remember, you have your hot dog, and it's coming. Now, if this had been a jumbo bun or a large bread roll, I probably would have had more space for the entire tomato. But it doesn't mean that you can't have the tomato on the side. Take your tomato and put it on the side right here. Here's your bread, put that on the plate. Now the water's almost ready to set the timer. Now these were rather expensive for tomatoes. We got 4 of these Komatos for $1.50, and you had to buy 2 packages to get it. But they are a very unique flavor. Something to think about. We got this, you can see what I'm talking about. And now I'm going to drop the hot dog in and turn off the heat and start the timer. Nothing is as much fun as watching a hot dog being boiled in water. And a special treat, Linda got me this strawberry Perrier and Lion. This was on sale for 39 cents. See it right here? Just wanted you to see that I got a deal on this one. Because we all know that Perrier, as delicious as it is way out of our budget. So I was doing all my chores and I just forgot lunch. There it is, almost 3 o'clock, and I realized my stomach was growling. Nothing like a hot dog to take care of that situation and stay vegan on top of that. Okay, it's done. Always remember to turn off your heat. You want to have one of these thongs that has, see how big I'm talking about the hot dog is? So we got to kind of move some of the things out so that they can fit. If I had bought bigger rolls, then this wouldn't be a problem. Alright, as for your water in your pan, you simply dispose of it in the sink, you let it dry, and you might have to re-season it. Not a real hard thing. If you're interested about how to season the cast iron pans, take a look. I've made a video specifically for how to season pans. Alright, so thank you for joining me in my lunch, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.